Hello and welcome back to the video. The new tool we're going to explore today is called PassiveCraft. PassiveCraft functions as a full-scale production hub, offering a variety of content options. This includes platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and several others. What this allows is the ability to directly utilize existing content and extract key segments. For example, if I include the YouTube channel you're currently watching, Gen AI School, here's how it works. First, access the channel. Once there, the next step is to copy the link. After copying it, head over to the tool. The first thing it will do is begin analyzing the account. At this stage, an email address and password need to be entered. Once entered, the analysis process begins, where it scans connected social media platforms and evaluates the digital presence. For instance, in the case of YouTube, it's treated as a digital product, where content is uploaded regularly. Some of the videos on the channel perform particularly well, while others continue gaining views steadily across various clips and segments. All of these factors are recognized during the analysis process. Now, what this offers is essentially a digital product concept. It helps identify which product idea aligns best with your content. For instance, there's Decoding the Algorithm, a beginner's guide to YouTube success. This can be developed into a YouTube starter pack. In addition to that, there's a content calendar blueprint, a niche navigator, YouTube analytics, and several other relevant topics available for use. Examples include guides like Decoding the Algorithm and other beginner-focused YouTube success resources. Suppose this particular one is selected. What happens next is that the platform compiles all relevant expertise connected to that topic and analyzes how an ebook can be generated from the type of content being produced. After a short while, the content becomes ready. At this point, it shows that the material is available and a category or area can be selected. The website sends a notification confirming that all key functions are accessible. It then provides the option to select a title. Once the title is chosen, a cover can be added. After selecting the cover, the platform proceeds to generate the full structure. At this stage, the entire ebook is created from beginning to end. The structure is now complete, and it confirms that the digital product is ready for immediate access. A personalized digital resource has been crafted based on your expertise. It can be downloaded directly, and having it locally is beneficial. The download is free, and there are flexible payment options as well. A pay later feature is available, so the product can be built instantly or acquired without immediate cost. Once the download is initiated, the file begins to process. The result is a PDF file, fully compiled from start to finish. This PDF includes all the content developed throughout the process. It begins with the main material and follows with insights into the algorithm, showing how foundational principles are applied. Following the core sections, it dives into important metrics such as reach beyond views, watch time impact, and how interaction and audience engagement are measured. After the engagement analysis, key takeaways are presented. This results in a comprehensive digital book. Upon review, the content spans approximately 20 pages, creating a complete ebook with around 30 pages in total. This includes all the methods for utilizing Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and similar platforms. These strategies assist in presenting featured content from beginning to end. This is how the complete set of choices can be built effectively. Additionally, there's flexibility to apply certain enhancements along the way. This entire process forms a complete workflow. Likewise, PassiveCraft provides a tool called StarttoEnd, which offers comprehensive guidance. All that's required is to paste a profile link, and it generates a product concept that aligns with potential market demand. An ebook is then created quickly and efficiently. These types of ebooks can be offered online with confidence, aiming to increase exposure and engagement. The platform also offers options for audience engagement through a full-featured free trial. The profile link can be inserted directly, and it's worth noting that this tool is free to use. There is an option to make a contribution at the end as a gesture of appreciation. For instance, there's a $9.99 plan that can be selected to support further features. This plan can be added if desired, but for now, usage continues without it. The current section involves Instagram. This includes platforms such as Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and many others. Be sure to like the channel, subscribe, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. That way, upcoming insights and valuable tools related to AI will reach you without delay in the coming days.